After I leave here, I'm going straight to the airport and flying to LA. And all I'm going to ask before I go is you do this one thing. Do it for yourself. And I'll do it with you. I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to picture yourself as a kid. What you used to look like. Maybe you recall an old photograph of yourself at any age. Just go back in your mind and picture yourself. You're still the same person. Slowly open your eyes. Two things change. You got older and you learned stuff. That's it. But we're going to help you recapture the sense of wonder you had when you were a kid, but I need your help. We're going to do an experiment. Who can see, what am I drinking here? Coca-Cola. Who can see what's left of my Coca-Cola? Thank you for having Coca-Cola. Watch this. Who saw me consume it? That's reality. Now we're going to use imagination. I forget when I cracked this open. It was, I don't know. Who saw me drink it throughout the show? That's the key. Okay. Who can see I crushed it, opened it, and drank it? Raise your hand. That's reality. Now I want you to use imagination. I want you to imagine like you did when you were a kid. Make it real in your mind. I want you to imagine that every time my finger goes around the can that we can go 1 minute back in time. Start with the fact that the can is crushed. Ready? Watch the dents in the can. Believe. Who can see it's not really crushed like it was? Raise your hand. Right. Now we still have a hole. Can you do me a favor? Watch. I want you to imagine that I can grab the hole and throw it to you. Are you ready? Imagine that you can catch it. Cool. Eat it. Go ahead. Chew it up. Swallow it. And out loud, I want you to say, the hole is gone. The hole is gone. How many of you ladies had a teacup party when you were a little girl and you drank tea that didn't exist? Raise your hand. But it was real to you. Guys, when we had our action figures, we were in a war. Right? Because it was real to us. Because if you believe something strongly enough, it becomes your reality. That hole is gone. It is resealed. Do me a favor right here. Can you tap on that? Is that resealed? It's resealed. Now fill it up. Believe. Yes way. Anything's possible. Believe. Listen. 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 It's getting heavier. Listen. Listen. Shh. 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 Listen. Really quick. Listen. Shh. Shh. Listen. A little bit in there. There's only a little bit, tiny bit at the bottom. I want it filled to the top. And make it cold. There. Time out. Do me a favor right here. Grab it. As soon as you grab it, you're going to feel it getting colder. Watch. Colder and colder and colder. You feel it, right? It's getting colder. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when you leave here, you're going to go back. You're going to update your Facebook status, and it's going to say, I saw this freaky guy. I was freaky. I can't believe he blew my mind. Ah! Tag me in that post. And people are going to be like, what happened? And you're going to tell them, they're not going to believe you, and then they're going to say, what was his name? And you're going to say, shit, I forget. Tell them Wayne Hoffman did it, and I want you to remember one thing. Imagination is extremely powerful.